If you have a talent, product, service, event, cause, or concept, how many people really know it exists? How many people should know? And what does your brand say about you anyway? More importantly, does your campaign make a statement in the marketplace? We specialize in all aspects of creative publicity and innovative marketing, punchy advertising campaigns, affordable media buys, strategic brand development, extension, or rejuvenation, exciting digital press kits, impactful newscasts, creative video and photo journaling, press releases, dynamic radio and webcast spots, squeeze pages, social media, fresh logos, websites, and much, much more. Hey, get a leg up on the competition. Why not right now? Call 678-306-3616 for your free consultation and a special promotional rate for ATL radio listeners. Again, that number, 678-306-3616. Call today.
Generation Me X Entertainment.